geometrical isometry. Optical isometry, at last we know about optical isometry. First we know about constitutional isometry. Constitutional isomers are known as also structural isomers. Structural isomers and constitutional isomers are similar. They have same molecular formula, but sequence of in which individual atoms are bonded, they are different. Means they have same molecular formula, but bonded atoms are different to each other. There are two types. They are spherical isomerism. Here all the 4 carbon atoms are arranged in a linear fashion. But here CCC, 1 carbon atom is above the C. This is not linear. This is molecular. They have same molecular formula, but different arrangements are different. Again, we know the positional isomerism, orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. NO2 and OH group are in the first compound in ortho position, but in the second compound they are in para position. Here another example we can say orthonitrophenolic acid. These are also example of position isomerism. Position means their NO2 group and COOH group are in 1,2 position, that is ortho position, and their NO2 and COOH group are in 1,4 position, that is para position. They are also positional isomerism. Then we know constitutional isomers. What is constitutional isomers? Compounds of identical molecular formula which have different functionality. They are identical in molecular formula, but they have different functional groups are present. That is, if we consider two molecules, ethanol and two molecules like this, ethanol, that is CH3, CH2, OH, and dimethyl ether. Ethanol, here carbon atom and oxygen atom, here also carbon atom and oxygen atom. They have identical molecular formula, but they have different functional group. Different functional group means here hydroxy or OH group, here ethyl group, oxo group. So this is known as ethanol. And here this is known as dimethyl ether. They are constitutional isomers, but they have same molecular formula and different functional groups are present. Here we know stereoisomers. Stereoisomers are the atomic connectivity but different in spatial arrangement of constituent atom. They have same atomic connectivity. Atomic connectivity is same, but spatial arrangement of atoms are different. We know that first one is cis, second one is trans, and there we can know that RS nomenclatures are there. Can we explain us the blackboard? cis isomer, same groups are in present the same size. This is cis isomer and another is trans isomer. So they are stereochemically different. They have same atomic connectivity. They have CH3 group, CH3 group, CH3 group, CH3 group. Double bond is here also present. Double bond is here also present. But they have same bonding connectivity or same atomic connectivity, but spatial arrangement of atoms are different. Spatial arrangement means here two CH3 groups are in cis position, whereas two CH3 groups are trans position. But spatial arrangement are different. Another example you can see RS CH3 CH3 hydrogen NH2. RS nomenclature 1 2 3 4. Yeah, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 in anti-clockwise and fourth priority group is vertically down. This one is isomer. And another isomer you can see COOH H3 hydrogen NH2. This one 1 2 3 1 2 3 is clockwise, fourth priority group is backward side, then it should be R. And one isomer same connectivity atomic, here also COOH, here also COOH, here NH2 NH2 CH3 CH3. They have almost same bonding connectivity, but they have special type of arrangement of that. One is this and another is R. Now we discuss about enantiomer, homomer, diastereomer. Three types of isomers or stereochemical isomers are there. Enantiomers, they have mirror image relationship. They have mirror image relationship, but mirror image should be non-superimposable on each other. Non-superimposable to each other means right hand left hand relationship. Non-superimposable each other means right hand left hand relationship. So their definition is enantiomers are stereoisomers that are non-superimposable on mirror image. They are non-superimposable on mirror image. One type of example we see. But non-superimposable mirror image. Non-superimposable means if we upward this side here A and B does not match, so this is non-superimposable. A and B is matched, then it should be superimposable. Like right hand and left hand relationship, they are superimposable but non-superimposable each other. So if we attach this, these are not superimposable, but they have mirror image relationship. Mirror image relationship. These are known as enantiomers. Here we know they are what are diastereomers. Diastereomers means they have no mirror image relationship. These are known as diastereomers. Diastereomers are the stereoisomers. They are not mirror image of each other. They are stereoisomers, but they are not enantiomers. Enantiomers, we know that enantiomers they have mirror image relationship, but in case of a diastereomer, they have no mirror image relationship. If we consider cis and trans isomers, we know this. Diastereomer. Diastereomer. isomers are diastereomers. Cis-2-butene, trans-2-butene, or cis-stilbene, trans-stilbene, they are diastereomers. Cis-2-butene, trans-2-butene. They have no mineralization relationship. Mineralization relationship. Here we can see they have no mineralization relationship. They are not altered by any C2, C3, C2, etc. So cis trans isomers are known as diastereomers. Specific rotation is denoted as alpha. Specific rotation of a compound is dependent on alpha and its concentration and length of the sample. Alpha concentration, length of the sample. Specific rotation is designated by alpha and alpha lambda temperature physical alpha observed by concentration L. Alpha observed is the observed specific rotation of the molecule. C is the concentration. L is the path length of the sample. Here we can calculate the specific rotation of a particular compound that is given alpha observed by alpha C2. Specific rotation is directly proportional to alpha observed and inversely proportional to concentration, which is expressed at gram per ml. And again inversely proportional to length of sample. Here we can calculate the specific rotation of a sample. There we know that alpha is the angle of rotation measured in degree, and T is the temperature, and lambda where the wavelength of light used. L is the length of sample. Usually L is expressed in decimeter. And C is the concentration in grams of substances contained in 1 ml, that is gram per ml. Here we can see some mathematical reason. You can calculate the specific rotation of the compound. Again, you know that racemic mixture is used as the mixture of two enantiomers. Racemic mixtures are mixture of two enantiomers. They fixed at usually used as plus isomer and another is minus isomer. Reactions are performed using a achiral reagent can form products at tetrahedral stereogenic center. However, the product will be a racemic mixture. If the reagent is chiral, one can often produce a single enantiomer of the product molecule. At last, we know what is mesocompound. What is mesocompound? Mesocompound is one which is superimposable on its mirror image. Even though it contains a stereogenic center, that is molecule is achiral. Mesocompound junction. These two compounds are mesocompound. Mesocompound, they have mirror image relationship, but they are superimposable to each other. Superimposable to each other means if we rotate C2 rotation, if this compound is rotated C2, then the compound will be this and these are superimposable. They are mirror image relationship, but they have superimposable to each other. The molecule as a whole is alkyl.